We are live here at Barangay Francisco Covered Court for the first game battle between Red Capeponeros versus White R5E Driving School Incorporated for the fourth season of Tagaytay City Basketball Club of Corrientes 50 edition BT50 Mayor's Cup. Ayan. Maraming salamat po muna kay Cap Ariel Firma for accommodating the 50 here at Barangay Francisco Court. Both teams po, picture taking muna tayo. Both teams. Yan. As of the moment po, I recorded muna ang ating first game. Nagkaroon lang po ng error sa internet connection. Pero it will be uploaded on our Facebook page and sa YT ni Commissioner June. Wala pong upload. Magandang hapon po kay Cap ABC, Eric Causaren. At yan. Waki. First game, Red versus White. Starting five of podiums for Red Team, we got Mendoza, Bonostro, Hernandez, Firma, Arzaga. For the White Team, we got number 17, Hernandez, number 24, Angkaya, number 27, Distura, number 20, Bangate, and number 28, Hoya. Our officiating team, we got Mr. Chester Masikat, Mr. Mick Cecilio, Mr. Michael Conde. From A-Star, headed by Sir Romy Misahan. Ayan. So, mamaya na. First quarter. First quarter, Mendoza. Shots no good. That's a rebound for Angkaya. Here we go, Angkaya. Shots no good, yan. Rebound. Sir Firma, Jojo. Here we go, shot clock 10. That's a steal. Hernandez got the shots, 2 points. Teka lang, anong team to? Shot clock 12. That's a turnover. Yeah, wait lang po ha, pasensya na kayo. Akong timer, akong DJ, ako din ang announcer. Tito Boba, shots for 3. Too strong. Rebound yan, Commander Lot. Commander Pinasa. Here we go, number 48. Shots, 2 points. Commander Lot. All 2. Sir Hoya. Pass to Sir Bangate. 15-second shot clock. Shot clock 10. Sir Jerry Angkaya. Pinasa. Tumira. Wala. Same ball with 11 seconds on the shot clock. Shot clock 11. Shots wala. Rebound for Hernandez. Number 48. Pass to Commander Lot. Commander Lot. Short. Sir Bangate gets the rebound. That's right, Sir Hoya. Shot clock is 12. That's a steal. Nagkakalituhan na naman sa uniform. Number 48. Pinasa sir. Number 43. 12 second shot clock. Pass it to Jay. To Sir Jojo. Shot clock 5. No good. That's a rebound for Tito Babot. Here, Sarbangate dribbling the ball. Pinasa kay Sir Oya. 12 second shot clock. 4-3. No good. Tito J for the rebound. Pass to Commander Lot. Pass to number 48. Commander Lot. No good. Same ball. 6 second shot clock. Shot clock 6. 6 to shoot. For 3, no good, in and out. Tito J for the rebound. Too strong. Kanya pa rin. Ibinato na lang. 2 points. Wala, hindi na dinala, di ba? Kasi nga, ano. Hindi na dinala, di ba? Ano nga? Ang gagamitin na yung isa. Oo, yun na lang dinala mo. Nasa bulsa. Sa labas. 12 to shoot. Shot clock 10. For the rebound. No good. Fresh. Wala po tayong 14. That's a steal for Tito Babot. Tito Babot. Ang laki! There's a foul. It's a foul coming to player number 54. Number 54. First personal foul. First team foul. Mamaya, after nila. Mga pag malapit. First personal foul. First team foul. To shoot. And 10 second shot clock. Sir Bangate huli. Tumira pa. Wala pa rin. Five minutes on the clock. 15 to shoot. Sir, Commander Lot. No good pa rin. Ako ni Sir Bangate. Paso dito Bobo. 2v2 situation. Tito Bobot, hinaharas. Oh, and there's a foul. It's a foul committed by player. Okay, substitution tayo. Mandatory substitution po. Number 53, first personal foul. First team foul. Substitution po, all 5. Second 5 po tayo, second 5. Shots wala, too strong. Kanila pa rin. Shot clock 5. This is steal by Sir Hobo. Pass to Sir Flores. 50 to shoot. Boss Chris shots wala. Nako ni Cap ABC. Cap ABC. Oh! Ball was stolen. Sir Borja. So number 40, Sir Hobo. Too strong. Sir Olia for the rebound. Pinasa kay Boss Chris. Wala pa rin. Ako ni Tito Dong. Tito Dong, naipit. Cap ABC. Nice pass. 2 points for Sir Angkaya. All 4 po tayo. Three minutes, 24 seconds on the first quarter. Boss Chris, passes Sir Hobo. Shot clock is 10. Sir, two. Ito na, for Trina, good. Nice pass break. 2 points for Sir Ankaya again. For 3, too strong. Nakuha Nino. Kuya Poleng, pass to Sir Ankaya. Sir Ankaya. But there's a traveling violation. Turnover tayo. Two minutes, 28 seconds on the clock. For 3 points. That's the best bang, bang, bang by Boss Chris Tagodin. Short. Sir Oya. Shot clock is 9. No good pa rin. Nakuha yan Nino. Wala pa rin. Dito daw pa rin. Ayun na, Kuya Poleng, for the follow-up. Time out daw. Ayaw. Ay, sige pa. I-stop mo muna bago i-time out. Hindi siya magbabuzzer ng ano. Shot clock is the good. All right, time out. Time out to Red Capeponeros. With 1. Ano 135? 36. Ano ang balik ko po? Hirapan ako eh. Hindi ako nakapagsulat ng statistics. Ayan mo na si parang Brian. Sige. Back to the ball game. Ten, 7, 3-point lead by the white team with 1 minute 36 seconds on the first quarter. Cup ABC gets the 2 points again. Who stolen back? Sir Robot, too strong. Patay ang iguana. Same ball. Same ball po. There's a steal. Sorry, miss. Boss Chris. And there's a foul. Who's for it? Number 25. Number 25 got his first personal foul, second team foul. Time remaining, we got 33.5 on the clock. 2 shots for Sir. First shot is no good. Second shot. No good pa rin, 2 for 2. Nothing for Sir. 28 seconds. Oh, same ball. 18-second shot clock. 18 to shoot. 18 to shoot. Sir Ankaya shots, wala. 10 to shoot. Nakakuha yan ni Sir Ops. Nahuli ni Tito Dodong. 8 seconds. 5. Buzzer na lang po marinig. And that's the end of the first quarter. Score is 7-12 in favor of Wive R5E. Back to the ball game. Second quarter po tayo. Third 5. Palit po yung yung kaninang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ay, okay. 6 p.m. pa nga pala. That's a steal. Good. Naipat sila ng ups. Turnover. Tito Jun, hindi na ako nakapagsuot ng stats dito. Shot clock is 8 for Trinidad. That's a save. Save to the wrong guy. Here we go. Chance sa uli ng ating red team. Napapalapit pero na-steal. Stolen back. Sir Angkaya. Pass to Tito Bobot. Tito Bobot for 2 points. "15-second shot clock. Commander Lot, there was a foul. Number 24 got his first personal foul. Second team foul. First team foul. Second quarter na pala tayo. First team foul. Nice pass to Tito J. 2 points. And ito nakashoot, diba? Number 53, second personal foul, first team foul. 11-12 ang score natin. 11-12. Here we go. 4-3 points. That's a bang, bang, bang. For Sir Stura. Commander Lot naipit. Naagaw ng bola. Nako yan. Ayun na ba? 2 points for Sir. 17. 17 po. 17 na show score. (17-13). Official score, 17-13. Okay pa. 17-13 po, official score. Fortune no good. Commander Lord for the rebound. Ups. Oh, yun lang. That's a traveling violation. Wait lang pa. Hindi ko alam, kasi kung anong usapan nyo dun sa uniform po eh. 6 minutes, 20 seconds. Kung may technical po ba ang ano? Here we go. Number 48. That's Steel versus Bangate. Tito Boyet. Pass to Tito Babot. Tito Babot shots 2 points. Official score 13-19. 5 minutes, 48 seconds. Commander, there's a foul. Number 23 got there his first personal foul, second team foul. First personal, good evening po, Tito Marge and Tito Eric. Apa, teka. Commissioner? Nawala si Commissioner. Commissioner June. Nawala. Hindi ko kasi alam kung ano usapan nila sa uniform, kung ano. Nawala si Commissioner eh. Okay, technical free throw po for incomplete uniform. Hindi ko kasi alam ang inyong usapan na po sa uniform, kaya ano. Teka lang, ano to? Sa ano po yun? Sa white? Ay, sa red? Incomplete uniform. 1 point for Tito Bobo, technical free throw. Number ano yan? Number ano si Lanting? A 14-second shot clock. Here we go. Steal. Tito Babot. 2 points. For Sir Angkaya. Grabe yun. Parang ano yun, yung David and Goliath. (13-22). Shot clock is 10. But there's another whistle. Ano pong number ang foul? Sorry, ref. 20. Substitution po, second 5-2 tayo. Number malabo kasi mata ko. Number 20 of White got his first personal foul, 13 foul. Second 5 po tayo. Ay. (13-22) score natin. Second 5. Hindi ko na ilagay din. Yaman na. Sir Hopper shots. No good yan. Rebound for Tito Dodong. Pasok up ABC. To Stelong Kaya. Reversion is good. Grabe, grabe. Pagdating po ng third quarter, ayan po, regular fee rules tayo. No more mandatory substitution. Boss Chris for 3. Too strong. That's a rebound. Nakakuha ni Sir Hobo. Sir Hobo, ayan, tumama sa paa. But nakakuha ni number 43. Nakakuha nila bola. Boss Chris. There's number 15. Warning for penalty po tayo. First personal foul from number 15. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty, White. Boss Chris, too strong. Nakanino Kuya Poleng. Fast break na naman. Ang layo. Masyadong malayo. Magandang gabi po sa aming konsihal, Konsi Aldrin Napalan. Good evening, Konsi. At sa masisipag na barangay tanod. Shot clock, 15. Sir Borja naipit, pero tinira niya 2 points for Sir Borja. (24-15). 9-point lead. Sir Angkaya. Sir Hoya, shot clock is 10. Opia. Same ball, 7-second shot clock, 7 to shoot. 7-second shot clock. Shot clock, 7 to shoot. Ay, tumalsik po ba doon sa baba? Pakikusuyo na po ng ating bola. Ayan, thank you ho. Ka-BBC, pass dito dong. And there's an N1! Basket sila mga pa ng foul. Foul kami ng player number 44. First personal foul. Second team foul. Time out po pag nakashoot. No good. Nice. Oh, okay. 2 points. Time out. The Red Capeponeros.
Simulan naman. Kaibigan. Eto na naman tayo bago simula. Huminga ng malalim, alisin mo pa. Tapos na ang hapon.
Back to the ball game. 2 minutes 46 seconds on the second quarter. Score from 15-26, 11-point lead by the white team. Here we go, Sir Hobo. Pass to Boss Chris. Sir number 48. Boss Chris, too strong. Nako na Sir Borja. Shot clock. 7-second shot clock. Ayun lang. Hindi nahabol ni Sir Hobo. Tuk, 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 tuk. Turnover po tayo. 2 minutes 19 seconds on the clock. Kuya Poleng, and he got a foul. He was fouled again by number 51. First personal foul, penalty situation. Penalty situation po tayo. Ah, sorry. Sa red pala yun. First shot is good. First personal foul, 13 foul, number 51. Second shot for Kuya Poleng. Second shot is good, 2 for 2 for Kuya Poleng. Almost done. Sir Wara, pass to Boss Chris. Shot clock 12. Sir Hobo, good. Out of bounds. Red team still scoreless for this round. Matagal-tagal ng pahinga ang red team, di nakaka-opensa. Ka-ABC, 15-second shot clock. Naipit sa ilalim Kuya Poleng, but there was another foul. Number 51, second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Second personal warning for penalty po tayo. 1 minute 17 seconds on the clock. 10 to shoot. 8 seconds shot clock. 5 to shoot. All right, and that's a 24 seconds shot clock violation. Turnover time 106 on the clock. Nice defense on the part of red team. 106 on the clock. One minute. Sir number 51, too strong. Nakakuha ni Tito Dong. Torres. Pass to Sir Hoya. To Sir Angkaya, masyadong mataas. 45 seconds. That's a steal pa. Sir Hoya. Pasok out ABC. That's a steal. 25 seconds. Sir Hobo, 2 points. $15 to shoot. 15 seconds na lang po. Seven seconds. And buzzer na lang po maririnig. And that's the end of the first half. Score po natin is 17-28 in favor of white team. Halftime break na muna po tayo. Regular FIBA rules. No more mandatory substitution po. You can sub anytime. Red Capeponeros ball. Change court na po tayo. Oops, but there was a foul agad. Number 24. Number 24. First personal foul, first team foul. Stolen back. 8 to shoot. Turnover. Cap ABC, force rin na good. Rebound dito, Jay. Na sundutan. Pinasa kay dito, Bobot. Ilista nyo na yan. 2 points. 32-17. Grabe. Grabe in-improve ng white team. 15 to shoot. That's a steal pa. Stolen back by Commander Lot. Commander Lot. Nice pass dito, Jay. Gets his 2 points. $15 to shoot. $10 to shoot. For 3 no good. Kanina bola. Dito dong. Naipit. 10. Ayun lang. Grabing depensa yun. $19 pa lang po. Kayo talaga. Coach Elvis, ha? Tito Bobot goes straight to the basket, gets his 2 points. There was same ball tayo. Here you go. Number 54, Tito J. Pinaasa kay Commander Lot. Ang laki ng bantay. Turnover na naman tayo. Cap ABC, 15-second shot clock. Pinaasa. Sarangkaya. 10 to shoot. Cap ABC for 3. That's short. Rebound on Ting. Pass to Tito Commander Lot. And that's an 8-second shot clock violation. Shot clock 14 po tayo. Saan po kayo? Sige pa. Okay pa. There was a foul. Wait lang po. Wait lang po. Report ko. Sige. Substitution ref. Sige. Number 56. Number 56. Our Fred Copepenars got his first personal foul. First team foul. Olia, sir. Olia shooting for 2. First shot is no good. Second shot. Wala pa rin. Oh, another. Same ball po tayo. Yan, dyan tayo. Surgery. 10 to shoot. 5-second shot clock. Good, good. Still? Ayun na. Same ball. Serbo Nostro. 18-second shot clock. 18. 15 to shoot. Fortune no good. Rebound yan ni Commander. Commander gets a foul. 25? 25. Number 25. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Yeah. Second personal, second team foul. Commander Lodge shooting for two. First shot is good. Second shot. Second shot is good for 2 for 2 for Commander Lot. 21-34 ang ating score. With 5 minutes and 18 seconds. Shot clock 15. Reverse shot is good for Tito Dong. Four minutes, 58 seconds on the clock. 15-second shot clock. Tito J, nasa sa ilalim kayo ng ting. Naagawan na namanan. Tabang apa. Ready for sub. Oh, there's a foul pa. Nakakakuha ng serve ng foul. Cerebon Nostro, number 48. Okay, substitution rep. Number 48 of red team got his first personal foul. Second team foul. Personal. Okay, substitution rep. Sino nag-free throw? Sorry. Sino nag-free throw na yun? Hindi ko na nakita. 2 points for sir number 52. Ay, si Tito Dong. Shot clock 15. 4 minutes, 10 seconds on the clock. 10 to shoot. Tito bot for 3. In and out. Offensive rebound is no good. Nakuha yan ang ating Red Capeponeros. Sir Borja got his 2 points. Unti-unti na pong lumalapit. 25-37. Nababawasan ang kalamangan. 15-second shot clock. Cap ABC. Patay ang iguana. Ready for sub. 15 to shoot. And there was a whistle. Offensive foul committed by player number 51. Okay pa. Substitution rep. Substitution. Time out. Time out. Red Capeponeros. Ayan, nag-time out ng red na ilagay ko. Red, ito, red. Nailista ko na. Oo nga, medyo. 15 to shoot. 3 points for Cup ABC. Yan, dyan sila sa pangalawa. Sa kanan. That's a bang, bang, bang. 3 minutes on the clock. Score 25. 40. Oops. Same ball. Same ball, 15 seconds. Shot clock, same ball tayo. Two points for Sir Landing. Number... Hindi na ako nakapag-ganyan. Ay mamaya, si Tito Jun na lang po manonood. Second game na lang. Alright. Substitution rep. Substitution. Number 44 coming in. Wala ring live eh. Naka-recorded. Mamaya pa magla-live. Okay. Ups. Seven second shot clock. 7 to shoot. 7 to shoot. Oo. Pwede ka doon namin. 3 second shot clock. And 24 second shot clock violation. Binanggit ko po ang ating shot clock violation. Patay ang iguana! Sir Jerry, nice pass! No look pass! Grabe yun. 1 minute 27 seconds on the clock. Ten to shoot. Up, yeah. Out of bounds pa. Out of bounds. Ano ilaw dito, alam mo? Kaya nga eh. Tito Tolay, sasan po ang ilaw dito sa ano? For Trina Good, apa? Sa committee table. 45 seconds. Ah, wala. Wala tayong ilaw dito. 33 seconds. Sir Jojo, oh, too strong. Okay, sub. May sasab pa po. Cancel na po. Okay. 27 seconds. For three points. That's a bang, bang, bang. 18 to shoot. 15 seconds na lang po. Boxer na lang maririnig. 8 seconds. 5. Oh, in and out. And that's the end of the third quarter. Disconcerting. Warning po number 27 of white for disconcerting. Warning number 27 of white for disconcerting. Score is 30-42 in favor of the white team. Fourth and final quarter na po tayo. Red team po, 2 bench timeout, 2 players timeout. Ang white team, 3, 2. Yan. Ay. For three points! That's a bang, bang, bang! And the lead is down to 9. Sir Boyet. And Sir Hoya. Shot clock 8. White. First personal. First personal foul. First team foul. First shot is good. Second shot. Ito na, unti-unting bumabalik ang red team. Good pa rin, 2 for 2 for Commander Lot. 9 minutes, 15 seconds, mahaba-haba pa to. Pwede pang humabol. 15 seconds shot clock. There was a whistle nga lang po. It's a foul. Foul committed player number 52, Commander Lot. Commander Lot got his. First personal foul, first team foul. Okay, first shot is good. Pasok. Kuya Polen. 21. Number 21. Second shot is still good. Nice pass step! Maganda pa nga. Another foul was called. Number 50. 1. Parang tatlo na yun. Ay, dito. Ayaw nga sa blue. Number 51, fourth personal foul, second team foul. First shot is no good. Number 51, 4 po ang foul niya. Ready for substitution po. Ready for substitution. Opo. Okay, substitution rep. Okay, Tito J coming in for. Tatlo pa timeout niya. Opo. Pero kailangan nyo gamitin bago mag 2 minutes yung isa, ma-dissolve po. Dalawa po. Nag-timeout kayo third. Ready for sub po. Tito J. Perimeter shot is no good. Rebound, Sir Angkaya. Nice pass. Naipit. Almost lost the ball. 15-second shot clock. 4-3. No good short. On the Commander Lot. Ayun lang. There was a foul committed player number 19, Sir Angkaya. Substitution rep. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution. Sige pa, pasok. Commander Lot. Blanca. Oh, out of bounds pala yun. (35-43). Balik sa 13. 2 points for Sir Angkaya. Grabe yun. Shots, wala talaga. Nako ni Lanting. Labas. Wala pa rin. Oops. But masikip doon. Number 21. Timeout! White team. Number 21 got his first personal foul. 13 foul. Back to the ball important final quarter, 7 minutes, 10 seconds on the clock. Foul committed player number 21 po kanina, first personal. Short. Ano po, Tito Dong? Na kanina na wala na. Pagalong-gulong na. Na kanino. Ayun na, kuha nilang ting. Yun lang. Sayang effort. Ang taas! Ang taas ng basa ni Kap ABC. Six minutes, 35 seconds. Traveling violation. For three points. And that's another bang, bang, bang. Three again, no good. There's a steal. Nakalisir. 30 to shoot. Up, yeah, there's a foul. Foul committed by player number 48. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Okay, substitution ref. Sino pa pala niya? Kuya Poleng. For three, another bang, bang, bang for Tito Bobot. Mainit ang gabi. Twelve to shoot. 10-second shot clock. Substitution. Foul number 46, 56, 19. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Substitution. Brad, substitution din pa. Pasok. Angkaya coming in for Angkaya. Hobo coming in for Sir Bonostro. Di talaga makashoot ang Red Capeponeros. Nice spin. Naipit. But there was a foul. Number 17, Tito Bobot got his first personal foul. Penalty. Penalty daw po tayo. Penalty din. Nakap-shooting. First shot, no good. Pati si Tito Ricky, na. Wala ang Tito Ricky na ano din. Maganda laban sana kung nandiyan din yung magbayaw. 4 minutes, 25 seconds on the clock. Shot clock 5. Ayun lang. There's another foul. Blocking foul committed player number 62. 52. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Both teams po, penalty situation. Both teams are in penalty situation. Oy, ang ganda nun. Nakawala. Sikap ABC. Talo na comeback. Oo. 15 seconds shot clock. Both teams po yan, penalty ha. 10 to shoot. Talagang malas. Hindi makashoot si Commander. Sarado. Sige pa. Amaya. Lapit po dito kung ta-time out pa ha. 2 points. Time out, White team. Isa na lang time out nyo, White ha? Isa, dalawa. Ang red, dalawa. Minutes, 23 seconds. No good. There was a foul. It's a foul committed player number 49. First personal foul. Oh, sorry. Second personal foul. Penalty. Oh, ay first nga yan, first. First shot. Di ba? No good. Second shot. No good. Three minutes on the clock. Sir Hobo. Last the server ha. Ay, talagang malas. Alat ng gabi. Alat mo. Patay kayo yan. 2 points for Tito Babot. Time out to Red Capeponeros. Tigisang timeout na lang po. Tigisang bench. Tigisang bench, tig-dalawang players timeout. Clean cut Naka-clean cut kayo Back to the ball game. 2 and 40 on the clock. Wag iki nga. $15 to shoot. Taas sa steal pa. Ayaw pa sir. Muntik bang mas stolen back? Di alam. 15 to shoot. Naghintay ng mga kakampi. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Oops, but there was. What's the whistle, ref? Traveling violation. Commander, talaga malas. Last 2 2001. It's a basket sila mama na foul. Foul committed player number? Yun si 27. Ayaw ano eh. Number 27. First personal penalty. Kamalulot for the bonus shot is good. 1:54 on the clock. Twelve to shoot. 10. 5-second shot clock. And 24-second shot clock violation. Two points for Lanting. 1 minute, 15 seconds on the clock. Two points. Timeout to Red Capeponeros. Wala na po kayong bench timeout at ano na lang po, players timeout. Isa pa. Thank you so much po sa Pink Crushers. Sila pong sponsor ng committee, food committee for tonight. Thank you po. Sabi nga. 57.7. Catorce. 57 seconds on the fourth and final quarter. Oy! Talagang, hawak na nawala pa. Sobrang malas. Next game, Pink Crushers versus Intensity 8. Blue Intensity 8. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5-second shot clock. 3 seconds shot clock. 3 seconds. Two points for Commander. "22 seconds. There's a foul. 56. Number 56. Lanting. Second person a foul. Penalty yan. So, ano dyan? 100. Skyflakes. Doon ba iba meron? Doon ang batindahan. Wow! Nag-aalab daw ang kanila. Timer. Players timeout po tayo. Players timeout. Penalty situation po tayo. Penalty. Ay. 17.4. Akala ko penalty. Penalty, diba? Ay, hindi. Nag-time out pala. Ayun lang. Galing nga pala time out. Ako nag-foul. Penalty yan. No, number 52, third personal foul. Both teams penalty. Lalo nang lumabo ang mata ko yan. Dilim na dito. Tas, first shot is no good. .3 on the clock. Second shot is good. All right, and I think that would be it. Hala. Dying seconds na lang tayo. Nangyari. There's a foul. Graduate ba yun? Graduate po. Foul down scene number, ano? Okay, first shot. Graduate na, sir. Pasok na, Tito Jay. 9 seconds. Ay, thank you. Ikaw? Wala ka? Thank you. All right, and that will be basket counts, and that's the end of the game. Congratulations, white team, for winning the first game. Tito Bobot na lang anuhin mo. Dito Pero sa kanya talaga yung crucial na 3 points, ano? Best player of the game, number 17, Bobot Hernandez. All right, battle between the Red Cup Peponeros versus White R5E Driving School Incorporated. And nakuha po ng ating white team ang kanilang unang panalo. Number 17 po ang ating best player of the game with 15 big points. And nakita natin yung crucial back-to-back 3 points niyo doon. Ano po masasabi niyo last time? You lost the first game po, pero naka-bounce back kayo ngayon at kayo pa ang best player of the game.
Nag-kuhan kami, nag-usap-usap para maiba yung unang laro namin. Kasi kumpiyansa kami nung unang laro eh. Kaya inayos namin yung mga lineup. Binabati ko yung mga kasama ko, kundi sa kanila hindi kami mananalo. At siyempre sa Panginoon at walang injury na nangyari sa aming both team. At mga dyan sa Pampanga, binabati ko, The Rockers, Kabalin, saka yung family ko. Thank you po.
Congratulations po, Tito Bobot, for being the best player of the game. Next game po natin, Pink Rushers versus Blue Intensity 8. We'll see you again later. Bye.
Damn.